guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing another Valentine's Day makeup look for you guys. This look is more glam and smoky and sultry. If you are the type of girl who wants to feel sexy on Valentine's Day, whether you're going out with the girls or whether you're going out with your guy, then this is the perfect look for you. I love the warm tones. I love a good berry pink color that's right up my alley. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then just keep on watching. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you never miss a new upload. And give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy. Now let's jump right in. First, I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face using this Lancome moisturizer I've been loving recently. It is anti-aging, it has SPF 30, it is dark spot correcting, it's just all around great. It really agrees with my skin and my foundation goes on beautifully when I use this as a base. I'm going to be using the Pop Beauty 24-Hour Face Base. I've never used this before actually, so I'm going to see how this works. I don't know if this is a spray. Oh, yep, it's a spray. If you look at it, it looks like it's a gel. Maybe I need to shake it up. That's interesting. I've never seen a gel spray like that. But yeah, it does feel very sticky. I don't understand how this even works. It looks like a spray, but it's really not. It's kind of like, it's literally like spraying gel on your face, but it doesn't feel like gel when it goes onto your face. I don't know, but we'll see how this works. Now I'm going to be using a combination that I am obsessed with. I've been obsessed with this for a while, and it is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Foundation mixed with the Makeup Forever Foundation, and I'm in the shade 7.75 in Urban Decay, and I am Y425 in this one. It's amazing how much foundation a beauty blender actually absorbs. Like, don't get me wrong, I love a good beauty blender, but at the same time using a brush, you waste so much less product. Now to bronze up my face, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm going to take this and I'm just going to work this on the outer areas of my face just to warm everything up. We're going for a glam look. I mean, it's Valentine's Day. I really love a good contour, and I feel like I haven't done a contour like this in a while. This is really pretty. I've never used this shade before. I recently did a video with trying new LA Girl Pro Concealers and foundations. I will link that up above for you guys as well, but LA Girl has some really good products. I would have used the LA Girl foundation again, but I used that in the last video I did. I really like that foundation. I like it a lot. So for all over highlight, I like it, but for a nose contour, I'm not feeling it. Now I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is an oldie but a goodie. And I'm going to be taking 2 pumps of NC42 and 1 pump of NC45, and I'm just going to put this underneath my eyes and use this to highlight. Now I'm going to set underneath my eyes using the Cody Spun. And I'm going to set the rest of my face using the MAC Fix Plus powder in NC42. Now I'm going to do my brows off camera using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony. And I set my eyes with the Cody Spun powder again, and now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. Mine is super grody. and I'm gonna play around with it. I am going to take the shade Raw Sienna, and I'm going to buff that into my crease. Now I'm going to go in with Red Ochre, and I'm also going to place that in the crease right on top of that Raw Sienna shade. Now I'm going to take that Red Ochre shade again on a flat packing brush, and I'm just going to pack that all over the lid. Now on top of that Red Ochre shade, I'm going to take this shade Love Letter, and I'm just going to pack that on top of the lid. Now on this small Coastal Scents brush, I am going to take the shade, what is this shade? Cypress Umber. Oh! And I'm just going to pack that in the outer corner. I'm also going to take this shade right along the lash line. Oh! I'm trying not to get it on my nose. And I'm going to take Warm Taupe and just buff everything out. Now to even out the look, I'm going to run Red Ochre on my lower lash line. And I'm also going to take that Cypress Umber shade and go right over. I am first going to take a little bit more of that Cody Airspun powder and just dust away any fallout. Now I'm going to be taking my MAC Smolder Eye Kohl. Just going to warm it up in the back of my hand, and I'm going to tightline my eye. And then I'm going to go in. I'm just going to take the brush I used to do my brows, and I'm just going to kind of smudge that out. It doesn't need to be perfect. Now I'm going to go into the Itsmyrayeraye palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be taking this Radiant highlighter, and I'm just going to be placing that on the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer with my BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to be warming up the face. And I'm also going to take a little bit more of that Cody Airspun and just carve out my cheeks. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using the Smashbox. This is the Spotlight palette in Pearl. This is the Casey Holmes collection. These two shades right here mixed together. I'm going to be taking my Cork lip liner, my go-to. Now on top, just so I darken it up a little bit more, I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. It's like a lip oil. Perfect. It is in the shade Berry Kiss. Now I'm going to put on lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to set everything in place using the Covergirl Lock It Up. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Pure Mascara. It's the Big Look. And here is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This look is perfect for the girl who wants to get glammed up for that Valentine's Day date night, or if you just want to go out with the girls and you want to get done up, this is the perfect look for you. It's definitely not for the natural girl, but sometimes you just want to get glammed up. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a video, and hit that bell button so you always get a notification when I upload new videos. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.